channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we're going to have a great day because we're going to save in my Powders France savings binder. And if you saw my video, my previous video, I had a giveaway for Fred Flintstone. You want to get a part of that giveaway, please go check out that video. But this is part 2 where we're going to save for France. So let's get started. Shawoom! Okay, I am what some people say bulk recording. I am bulk recording. So I already have money here. So let's see how much we have. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, half, 15, half, 16, half, 17, half, 18, half, 19, half, 20, half, 21, half. So that's 215. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's 225, 225, 27, 29, 31, 32, 33. So $233. I didn't need my calculator. Yes, that's going into France. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're just going to make our way through this so you can see all these beautiful savings challenges that I have. I'm showing them off because they're all France related. Yes, yes, yes. Isn't this cute? Let's Paris. Ooh, Paris. Okay, so we're going to do $5 and $2, and then that's $8. 5, 7, 8. I feel like I should just put $10 in here. So let's do 2 of the hats, and that makes it 10. And then that's good. Yes, we'll come back if we still have money left, because I have a lot of scratch-offs and I'm not sure how much they are. This beautiful is from Madeline's Budget. It's called Wanderlust. She has a whole series and they're so cute. And so this is for me to travel. This is my suitcase. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm traveling. So $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 9 and 6 is $15. So we are putting $15 into this cutie. Now this next one is my savings challenge that you can get from, I believe, in my coffee shop. So 1, 2, 3. $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have a total of $8. 5, 7, 8. And this is Emma going to Paris, France, because she going, I'm going. This cutie, I saved these before. These are from Madeline as well. I saved these in my food binder, but they got the Eiffel Tower, so I was like, oh yeah, we're using them again. So we're gonna save, that's 20, and let's roll the dice and see what we roll. A 3. So $23 is what we're gonna save. $23, 22, $23. These are so cute, Madeline. Thank you for sending this to me. I think she sent it to me for free when I purchased the scratch-offs. I love that people are so attentive. So Madeline knows I'm saving for France, and so she sent me a freebie for France. Wasn't that nice of her? And she didn't have to do that. So this is from Lady Di Saves. Amor, mi amor, mi amor. All right, let's roll the dice and see how much are we saving. $4. So there's a 2, or let's do a 3 and a 1. So 3 and a 1 is $4. So 2, $4. And look, it comes with a cute envelope. So this is Lady Di Saves. And we are done with our fun. This one only saves $35, so I don't want to rush through it. I want to take my time. The next one is from, I had to write it down, Fun Savings Challenge. Fun Savings Challenge. It comes with an envelope as well. Each of these is worth $10. How many are we saving? One. I kind of called that. So let's save the mannequin. Okay, so $10. $10. And I'm saving the money because further out here is some other scratch-offs that I think are going to be hefty. Oh, wait, don't put the cute savings challenge away. Nobody can see it. There we go. Now, this one is another one where each of them is worth $10. Let's see if we're lucky. Woo, no, we're not so lucky. Let's break that in half. That's a 6, but let's break that in half and let's do 3. 1, 2, 3, which is $30. And I'll make the rules. $10, $20, $30. Because I want to get through all of these challenges first. So this one is a little bit heftier from Madeline Budget. Look at that cute, cute, cute suitcase. Isn't it cute? So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, we did good. $9. Okay, let's stop while we're ahead. So $9 into this cute savings challenge. I love that. Madeline's Budget. Go check out her Etsy shop. And then this one I purchased some time ago from Jen, my girl Jen. Teach, Save, Travel. Paris, Paris. How many are we saving? 1. So $10 into Paris. $10. We may come back to this one. We'll see. And now we have my savings challenge from my ladybugs. So you definitely wanted to go check these out too. All right, so we got 5, and 5 is 10, and 1 is 11. Let's do 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we got $15. This is so cute. The little ladybug is in Paris. Yes, she going with me. The ladybug's going with me. All right. So that's $15 saved. Now this cutie patootie, Mercy, is from Suns and Roses shop. I learned about her channel from somebody else. I don't remember who, but I can tell you now that these are hefty. 1, 2, 3. I think they are. Yes, I knew they were. $30. And then I said that this Eiffel Tower was going to be worth $5. So let's cross that off. And let's put $35 in. 10, 20, $35. Mercy. This is cute. I kind of made it my own savings challenge. And I shrunk it down. It's really 8.5 by 11. But I didn't want to be bothered. So. And then this cutie, I rolled a 1. $8. So 5, 7. Oh, let's do one more because I don't want to break up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't look like I have an option here. So $11. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. Go back to the very beginning. We're having fun now. We got through all of them. So we can go back to here and add another $5 to this cutie. Isn't she gorgeous? I think she's so cute. You guys are so creative. Oh, I didn't even say who this was from. This is from Doodle Dollars. Doodle Dollars with a Z. Y'all get it right. Doodle Dollars. Doodle Dollars with a Z. So definitely check out her channel. It's a lot of fun as well. Don't forget to go back and look at my Flintstone video because I'm doing a giveaway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's $4. Trying to put the other money. So it's a total of $19 in there. And then my scratch off. Let's add to the $8 that are in there. Oh, now 10. So let's just put $10 in. Oops, there's already a 5 here, so put $10 in and take the 2 and the single out. So we have $10. All right, we can still work on this. So let's add another 10 and a 5. Which is 15, 5, 10, 15. And then should I roll the dice? I'd roll the 2. So here's 3. So now I have 5. So we have a total of 20, 25, 30, 35, $40 in the French macaroons, which was Madeline Budget. I see a $2 on here, so we could do this and add $2 to mi amor. Mi amor. It's like a paper doll. This was a thing. Boy, those paper dolls, they were a big deal. Kind of a little bit during my era, paper dolls were a big thing, but then the real big to do was the Cabbage Patch dolls. Who remembers those dang Cabbage Patch dolls? All right, each of these is $10. We do have $10 left, so we'll put another $10 in here. Those Cabbage Patch dolls were a big deal. Let's do this cute poodle. So there we have now in this little envelope $20. In my Paris trip. And each of these is worth 10. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am not scratching. Nope. I already did 30 in there. Let me do 10 in here. This is from Jen, Teach, Save, Travel. So we got 5, 10. So we have $20 saved now in the Paris Savings Challenge. It's going to save a total of $180. We getting to France. And then, cool, I have $3 left. And so I can find $3 easily on here. So I can scratch off this one for $3. It's always good to have a savings challenge with small amounts and large amounts, a mixture. So we got 10, 15, 17, $18. All right, we are jamming. We are done with our fun. Please check out some of these savings challenges from these fun Etsy shops. Come up with a theme, something that you can get excited about saving money. My theory is, look, the places to go. My theory is this. If you have fun saving, you'll save more. Paying off debt, that's not fun. It's not exciting. And some people get motivated and inspired to pay off debt. And I admit it, it's important. You want to pay your debt off. But at the same time, if you don't create a nest egg, if you don't save up your savings, what happens when something goes wrong? You pull that credit card out. It's a cycle. They would want you to put all your money to pay the credit card off because they know psychologically once it's paid off, you're going to use it again. How about you stop using the card, lock it up, shred it, whatever. Stop using your card and start building your savings so that as your savings grows, you have money that you need. Y'all don't understand. I was on a quest to save money and I saved over 100K and I did not worry about the fact that I had debt. Somebody said, girl, why would you save $100,000 and you still have debt? Because I wasn't worried about it. Because I wanted to have money saved in the event of. So yeah, this is it's a different way of living and being. And so if you want help on figuring out what path to take, what steps to take, I do wealth coaching. Definitely look me up on the wealth coach tip, okay? Because I would definitely love to be a part of your process of building wealth and prosperity. So if you like this video and you want more fun videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.